This video is meant to answer the question of what students can and should do and what teachers can and should do when students disagree with a score delivered by the AI assistant during instant AI feedback. So here I am a fictional student who has been revising and resubmitting my work over multiple drafts to improve my score over time. And you can see that I've actually improved my score quite a bit. Now, up until this point, my teacher is able to see a live dashboard. So as we move from the student account over to a teacher account, we can see that the teacher has live access into what students are writing, what the trends and insights are, and the ability to actually pop into a student document in order to leave comments. So that is the first form of recourse. It's just live, in real life communication between students and teachers leading up to and including the last submission. Now, if on the final submission, as the bell is ringing, the teacher has not affirmed to me that they believe that my scores are higher than what the AI has suggested, or they haven't had time to give me a comment on my work, the final score is not final until I've had the opportunity to flag it for my teacher. And you can see here as a student that on this final submission, a flag for review button pops up. This allows the student to simply make their case. So they can click it and explain why the teacher should double check this score. And they'll put their comments in and send the feedback about their feedback. When the teacher goes in to review this final submission, this is once the grading is done, the summary is ready, the teacher can go to this student, and what they will see is that it has been flagged for review. You'll notice here quickly that other students who have not flagged their submissions have not received or have not seen, do not have the same flag available. And when I go to the flag, I can see that the student has remarked what they believe to be the correct scoring and the reason why. And as a teacher, I'm able to send a response to that student. So I might say, great point, but I think this is still a 3. Come see me if you disagree still. As a teacher, I'd probably leave more than that, but for the purposes of this video, we'll resolve the comment. And when we come back as a student, the flag has been resolved and the teacher response is ready. This allows students to still feel agency and the ability to advocate for their final score, and teachers the ability to quickly identify, review, and resolve any flags or concerns that students have. Hope this is helpful. Looking forward to seeing how you use it.